Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I would just like to say thank you so much for being here. I am so grateful to have you. My name is Lisa Huff. I am a hairstylist that has been in the industry for over 7 years, a studio suite owner in Central Illinois, and I am here to be your go-to girl for all things hair. So let's jump right into today's video because I'm really excited to talk about it. I've got a box right here on my lap, sent to me by the coolest freaking company. I did not even know this was the thing. I am so excited about it. Well, it is called Hello Salon Pro, and it is basically like a FabFitFun, like any subscription box you've ever seen, just for professional hairstylists. So it is originally, let me check how much it originally is, because I don't know the answer to that. Okay, so one of these boxes is originally $25. If you stick till the end of this video, I have a code to get you one of these boxes for $5. If you use my code, you get a box for $5. Not $5 off, total $5, which is insane when you see what's inside of here. So, you open it up. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. And it's adorable inside. They have this piece of paper that kind of just explains everything that's inside of it and like talks about everything. So as I pull them out, I will read from this. So I guess I'll just go as this goes. I'll start from the top. So the first thing in it is from Bali Powder, which I've used Bali Powder before and I love it. It is a balayage clay additive. So as a lot of us know as stylists, sometimes clay lighteners don't get you quite as much lift as you want. They're not quite as powerful as you want, so you need to use a traditional lightener, but then those aren't thick enough and they get a little goopy and they can bleed and cause spots. So this Bali Powder, they gave just like a little like sample packet. You pour into your bleach and it thickens it up. It does not decrease the lift at all. You don't have to up the developer, nothing. And it says, and also, I've never used these, but I'm really freaking excited. If you guys watch my videos, you know I love to use chip paintbrushes, and they gave me 4 of these brushes. So I love painting with natural hairs because they just give you a really seamless, beautiful blend. The only downside to natural hair, of course, is that when you use it with lightener or bleach, you could probably go 3 times until it gets white and goopy and the hair dies, because this is natural hair, and when you bleach natural hair 4 times, it dies. So I'm glad they gave me 4. I will use these for as long as I can, and then depending on how much I love them, maybe start ordering more. I will keep you guys posted on my Instagram story and stuff on how I like these. Okay, and so how they explain the Bali Powder is it is a 0.5 ounce Bali Powder and 4 balayage chip brushes. Bali away without boundaries. Add the balayage clay additive to thicken any color or lightener for the perfect #hairdresser magic. And don't worry, the smooth clay base with moisturizing aloe won't lift or deposit. That's another thing. You can also mix it with color, which most of us are not familiar with that idea at all, but I like to mix it with vivid colors, and after I go through and balayage and bring someone lighter, and then say I'm doing like a red ombre or a copper balayage or a purple balayage, you can thicken the direct dyes and paint with them, which is super duper duper cool. After that, I have this Agator, I don't know if that's how you say it, Agator Men. This is hair and body wash. Ryan, my husband, is out of town in Texas for work right now, but as soon as he comes home, you know he's going to be using this. So that's actually the first time I smelled it. It smells good. Yeah. It's not too cologne-y. I'm so bad at describing smells, I'm not even going to try. So it's a hair and body wash. It explains it in aura of attention and success. Yes, please. We're totally into the work hard, play hard formula from Agator's hair and body wash. With the winter months upon us, it's time to re-energize, stimulate, and hydrate. This is the February box, by the way, so this video will be out in 2 weeks, so it won't be February anymore, so you guys are probably going to have to get the March box, but still, you'll be able to get it for $5, which is really freaking cool. The scent is Oud Wood. I don't know how to say that. Oud Wood. And that smells really good. Ryan will try that when he gets home. Alright, next we have the Kenra Professional. This is a full size, which is really freaking awesome if you guys get this box for $5. A full size product. It is Platinum Luxe 1 Leave-In. This miracle all-in-one spray enriched with precious gold for opulent slip and lustrous shine is a total swipe right kind of product. Say hello to stunning to the touch tresses. So, I think I've seen stuff like this before. I've never used this yet. Let's get the pump going. I want to see if it like actually has like a gold shine to it. From that spray, no, it doesn't look like it, which I kind of like because sometimes you don't want that in your hair. Oh, it smells so good. Of course it does. All of Kenra products smell good. But yeah, I can feel the slip. I can tell that's going to be good. You always need a good leave-in. So keep an eye on my Instagram stories as I start to use this, and I will let you know what I think. Alright, after that I have the Gatus Professional Trial Kit. Best color date ever. The Pick Me Up and Color Smart Kit beats our Netflix and chill plans. Plus, consistent color results are worth a second date. I've heard a lot about Gatus. They are big on Instagram, but I have never tried it. So I'm really excited to try this. It comes with a tube of 6N, which we know we can use that easily, and 5B, which I'm assuming is either blue or beige. I will have to check that out before I use it, obviously. And it's permanent color. So I'm really excited to use this. It comes with color and developer, and I've never used Gatus, but I think they're a smart company to be doing stuff like this, to be on social media, get it in somebody's hands, see how they like it, and if I like it, I may be buying more. Yeah, I'm excited to use this. And then last on this sheet is the Pink Powder Nylon Contoured Styling Brush. Contouring isn't just for makeup artists and colorists thanks to Pink Powder's Nylon Contoured Styling Brush. It's a game changer made for extreme flexibility to make styling and drying a snap. So I've never used one of these brushes, but I've been wanting to. I'm excited to use it. I have seen, like, this picture shows what it does, so I want to open it up and show you guys because it's apparently super flexible and completely heat resistant, so you can blow dry with it. But if you see this, it like lifts all the way up, so you can like really press the blow dryer in there, and it like moves and grooves with the hair. So you can see it's really, really freaking cool. Let's see what it feels like. And it feels like the bristles are really soft. It also helps that the body's really soft, so I assume this lets go of tangles very easily. Yeah, I'm really, really freaking excited to try this, and it's got a cute little gem on it. I have only used Pink Powder hair accessories. They make like really cool like chains and clips and things like that, like headpieces and stuff, and I really like all of their products that I've tried, so I am excited to play with this brush. And then they put just a couple of these little Johnny B shave cream and aftershave. Honestly, I'm probably gonna just bring these to the salon and give them to the next man client I have, because even my husband doesn't ever like shave his face with a razor. He'll sometimes bring it down with the trimmers, but he very rarely goes like naked face. So those probably won't get used in this household. Alright, so as promised, if you made it to the end of this video, I have a code for you. This card says, love this, take a pic, and offer your followers a coupon for a $5 box with code CRUSH, C-R-U-S-H. So I will have everything listed down below, a link to sign up for one of these boxes, to purchase one of these boxes, sign up for the subscription, and I will also have the code in there as well. What a cool idea. I love this, what this company has going. I wish I would have thought about it. I am excited to continue getting from this company. If you guys like these videos, I can continue kind of doing hauls of them as they come in. Just let me know in the comments down below. And of course, thank you so much for watching. I am so grateful to have you. If you are not already subscribed, I would love to have you. I post new videos every week. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.